This is an absolute beauty. So welcome back to another Stable Lease YouTube video, because this is a brand new Audi Q6 that has just arrived in the UK. I'm very lucky to get my hands on one of these, and this is going to be a very short video looking around what cool features that this beauty has. It's going to be a very short one, so stay tuned because this is an absolute beast. So then, starting off at the front, check out the animation that you get on the LED headlights. It's on the screen right now. That is so cool, and it looks so updated for this EV. Next, you've got the cool new badging that Audi are starting to roll out. This one's got the grey on the inside. If it's not the S-Line, the RS or the Black Edition, you have the white version in that. But this one gets the grey and it looks really cool. It's got the ridges just on the top. You get the big Ascari blue flat front grille with the black trims on the inside. I quite like the new design. You've got the black trims around it, all around it, next to the air intakes as well. You've got the cool design. It's got the two different LED headlights. I don't know what I think about that. It's quite cool. Let me know down in the comments. But you also get the Ascari blue front splitter and this huge front grille area. So what do you guys think of the front? But let's check out the side. So from the side, not to mention that this Audi Q6 is Edition 1, the most expensive Audi Q6 that you can get on the configurator. So you get 7 different colours with this one, but this is finished in the Ascari blue. Absolutely love this colour. It's so bright and it blends really nicely with the black trim that you get along the car. But you've got the black wing mirrors, the huge panoramic sunroof and the roof bars as well. We'll get onto charging very shortly, but I quite like the design from the back, not to mention the black privacy glass that you get from the B pillar backwards. What about the rear? So then onto the rear, and I've whacked the hazard lights on because check that out. It's got the red triangle on the rear tail lights. How cool is that? But you've got the full width rear LED tail light. You've got the new badge on the back as well, and the Q6. So this is the Q6 Edition 1, like I said earlier. But this, you've got the black trims down on the bottom, no exhaust tailpipes. It's got the rear parking sensors, and just under there, it's also got the reversing camera. So that's pretty cool. I quite like the design. If I open the boot up, you've got 525 litres of boot space, which is loads. Them seats can be folded down and give you an extra 1,000 litres, but it's got the automatic tailgate and huge amounts of boot space. And now here's where it gets interesting, because the interior is one of the nicest and biggest upgrades for the Q6. So check out these seats. These are the Napa leather seats that you get. I'm not too sure about the S-Line there. It looks a little bit plasticky. I like it when it was embossed in the stitching, but then again, that's that. So what do you guys think of the new look? You've got the leg extender, heated front seats, and not to mention they're electronically adjustable. But look up above. This is the massive panoramic sunroof that you get, and it really does brighten the interior of this Q6. Shame it's not a sunny day, so you can see how much it brightens up, but already it got a little bit lighter and it's really, really cool. So then now we're on to the main part, and look how cool this is. You've got the double flat bottom steering wheel. I'm not too sure if I like it because it looks a little bit weird, but you've got the multifunctional leather steering wheel. You've got the S-Line just embossed. You've got the black gear pedals just behind it, feel a little bit plasticky, but just behind that you have got the 11.9-inch virtual cockpit. That's really cool, and it's got all the details that you need. But just behind that you've got the heads-up display that's really bright and really does stand out whilst driving. Moving over, you've got the 14.5-inch infotainment center. Now look how cool this is. Now you've got the home screen, you've got all the different drive selects. So this comes with balance, dynamic, comfort, efficiency and off-road. So you've got them, and you've got your charging and your batteries just onto the left. But if we move over, you have got the passenger display, and this is a 10.9-inch passenger display. That's so cool. You can turn the screen off if you don't want it and have it on standby, but this has got Apple CarPlay as well, and you can even navigate, so you can be that passenger princess and be that helpful navigator. But some cool little features, if I turn it into drive mode, you get to see that green bar. That's really cool. That's only when you're from parking and you're starting to move. But you've also got the reversing camera, like I said, and the different side ones as well, so that's really cool. And you've got some other cool features such as the USB-C just down there. You've got the wireless phone charging. You've got this cool two cup holder drawer, and there's Alcantara on the dash. You've got it on the doors. You've got it on the center console as well. So I really do think that this is a massive upgrade for Audi for this Q6. So then hopping in the back, you get the same comfy seats that you get in the front, but this has got the climate control just in the back, and these have got heated back seats as well, which is really cool. You've got the passenger nest as well if you want to store your map book. Don't think anybody has one of them nowadays, but you've got the Alcantara on the door. You've got the Bang & Olufsen sound system in the back as well, and then going down, you've got this center armrest. You've got the two cup holders, no cover, but it's nice and smooth. And not to mention, you've got the Isofix anchors for the back seat passengers, and you've got this panoramic sunroof that lets the light in also. So it's a really nice interior, I'd say, and loads of room, which is fantastic. And I'm about 5'8", so this is really good for all types of passengers. So then on to charging and its range. Now this has got a range of 309 miles, but with just a push of the charging port, this will automatically open. Now this can do 10 to 80% on a fast charge in just under 21 minutes. Now that is an absolute rapid and a big game changer, but like I said, you can just push it and just reach a point. This is a brand new, so don't get me wrong, I'm brand new to this as well, but just push it just a little bit and that will close automatically. So I really do like the charging port because it's on this side and that side, which is really handy. So then this is the all-wheel drive Audi Q6. Now I told you its range, what about its power? Now this has got 0 to 62 time in 5.9 seconds, top speed of 135 miles per hour and 382 brake horsepower. It's not a lot, but this is a great SUV, whether you're going on long trips or short trips, with a range and with charging time, then this can be done on for them brilliant long journeys that you do. So then that's a very quick brief tour of the Audi Q6. I hope you have enjoyed it. This has been the Audi Q6 Edition 1, one of the most expensive configurations that you can get for this Q6. Would you like to see a lot more of these on the roads in the UK? Well, that's up to you. But I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But until next week, I'll see you later.